Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
It has entered or announced its agreement with Pitney Bowes. So to discuss this and more, we have Sapnesh Lalla, the CEO of the company, who joins us on the show. Thanks a lot, Mr. Sapnesh, for joining in. Now, can you share details about the scope and scale of this 5-year contract that you've signed with Pitney Bowes? What does it mean for the company's revenues?
So this contract is a comprehensive learning and development outsourcing of all of the learning and development activities that are done internally as well as externally for Pitney Bowes employees worldwide. This includes all of their technical training as well as all their soft skills and other compliance and mandatory training. So this includes almost every aspect of training that Pitney Bowes does today. And they have chosen NIIT as a partner who would take responsibility of not just doing what they are doing, but substantially improving the efficiency and effectiveness of what they do.
Well, Mr. Lalla, what is the value of the contract and how will the revenue accretion be split up over the next 5 years?
We do not discuss the value of contracts publicly, but suffice it to say that it is substantial and it will result into improving our overall growth rates as we look ahead over the next 5 years.
All right, fair point. Then just for some perspective, is this one of your larger contracts? Where would this rank among all the other contracts that you have?
It would be at steady state, they would become one of our top 10 customers.
Okay, let me try to get some more details from you, sir. Any other contracts that you are pursuing? Can you give us a sense of your potential pipeline?
So as we reported in our quarterly and annual results in May, current visibility is at about $219 million, which is inclusive of the contracts that we had won, including the Pitney Bowes contract, because it was won in Q4 of last year. That's the overall visibility across the tenure of contracts. What that does is it moves the corporate learning group's growth into a new trajectory on a go-forward basis.
All right, so that's as far as this agreement is concerned. But, you know, you join us on a day where mid-cap IT is doing fairly well. NIIT Tech, in which you hold stake, is currently sitting with a gain of close to about 1%, has gained 67% this year. The street really wants to know, when will you pair stake or monetize stake in NIIT Tech? Can something like this happen in FY19, maybe FY20?
I would say two things. One, the street has been rewarded for their patience. Thank God we didn't do what the street was hoping we will do last year. So I think the street has been rewarded from that perspective. As soon as we have something concrete, we would let you know.